New local animal sanctuary is opening its barn doors to save farm animals. Hogs and Kisses in North Garden is a nonprofit organization that gives homes to animals who are going to be eaten or used for food. Currently, they have 3 pigs, and they're rather large, and 2 bunnies. They're working on the infrastructure to support more animals. Ann Molina, founder and president, says the idea to start the sanctuary came from her love of her cats.
When I developed a deep relationship with them and realized that animals are so much more than we give them credit for, I thought, what would it be like to have a relationship with a cow or a pig? You know, animals who are constantly overlooked and just utilized over and over, in my opinion, exploited.
She might have something there. Hogs and Kisses is still getting up and running, and they would love volunteers of any skill to come help out. We're also having a fundraiser on July 25th with Orange Theory in Charlottesville. For information, you can go to their website, hogsandkisses.org.